If your voice feels weaker than it used to be, you're losing range or your tone sounds dull or unstable, and you're over 50, well, you're not imagining it. However, it's not the end of your voice. Today, I'll show you what's going on, why it's fixable, and I'll walk you through one simple vocal exercise that will help you feel more vibrancy and energy in your voice immediately. Let's get into it. As we age, changes happen that affect the voice. Your vocal folds, the tissue that vibrates to create sound, well, it can weaken. It can become stiffer, and that means slower response, less clarity, less flexibility. You might also experience weaker coordination between the various aspects of your voice, your breath, your vocal folds, your resonance. This can lead to straining, cracking, or just feeling, my voice isn't there anymore. But here's the truth. A lot of this isn't actual damage. It's really disuse and imbalance. And the good news, it can be retrained. It can be re-strengthened. I've worked with hundreds of singers over 50, some in their 60s, 70s, even their 80s, who thought their voice was gone. But it wasn't gone. It was out of shape. It was out of coordination. When we retrain the basic vital elements of the voice, the breath, the vocal folds, and the resonance, the voice can come back. It's not going to be the same voice you had at 25, but it will be a richer, wiser, more expressive voice. Let's try this very simple exercise. And this is going to focus on bringing back vibrancy and tone. It's going to help with vocal fold closure. So what I want you to do is just make this very sharp sound. Ah, like you're reprimanding a small child. Ah, ah, ah. Just say that. Ah, ah. It's real sharp. It's real buzzy. If it's a little weak and breathy at first, that's okay. This will improve quickly. Ah, ah. Now, we're going to say with the same intensity, gee, gee, gee. And just take a simple scale. Gee, 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 gee. Just that. Gee, 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 gee. Gee, 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 gee. Do it on tones you're comfortable with. And I want you to make sure it keeps that focus. Don't let it be gee, gee, gee. If you lose it, go back to ah, ah. Find that sharpness. Ah, e, gee, 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 gee. Also, watch out for excess tension. Don't let the body try and help by maladapting to the problem. Very often, the body just wants to add tension when we're trying to work on coordination. So watch out for gee, gee, a squeezing. It's gee, 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 gee. Just that. Take it as high as is comfortable. If it starts to strain because of the pitch going too high, just back off. Do this for a couple of minutes a day for a week. You will feel a difference at the end of the week. If your voice has been feeling kind of unfocused, kind of breathy, you're going to feel, more vibrancy in the voice. And as we get this better vocal fold closure, we're going to get better sound waves. And then we can take these better sound waves and start building the voice. Now, if that was helpful, I want to give you a deeper dive to keep you going. I wrote a full book for singers like you, the Mature Singer's Guidebook. Now, you can buy it for $20 on Amazon, or you can click the link in the description and download it for free. The book will walk you through what happens as the voice gets older and it will give you step-by-step strategies for regaining and rebuilding your vibrant voice. If you're an older singer, comment below. I'd love to know what you're dealing with in your voice as you've gotten older. I will reply myself. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have all kinds of great information for singers, including mature singers. We'll talk soon.